Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, you're about to step into a world where imagination refuses to sit still, where ideas spark, they collide, and grow wings of their own. The Mind Factory is more than just a story. It's a celebration of curiosity, courage, and kindness. So sit back, cheer on, and let your imagination run free. Because Mahadevi Villa Shishu Vihar brings to you an exclusive Shriek of Silence musical, The Mind Factory.
Chocolate bushes, chocolate trees, chocolate flowers and chocolate bees, chocolate memories that a boy once saved before they melted away. A world of your own, a place to escape to, a world of your own, where you can be free, wherever you go, wherever life takes you. This is your home, a world of your own. Here is the child that you left behind. Here is the kid with the curious mind. Here is the wonder we used to feel back when the magic was real. A world of your own, a place to go when you're feeling alone, feeling unsure. Embrace the unknown, enjoy the adventure. A world of our own, a place to escape to.